Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into GitHub Actions and exploring how to create a workflow with parameters. This allows you to customize your CI/CD pipeline on the fly. Let's get started. In this video, we'll cover what GitHub Actions are, how to create a workflow file, define parameters, add steps, trigger the workflow, and wrap up with some best practices. GitHub Actions is a powerful automation tool for CI/CD. Workflows are YAML files stored in your repository under GitHub Workflows. These workflows can be triggered by events like pushes, pull requests, or even on a schedule. First, let's create a workflow file. In your repository, create a new file under GitHub Workflows and name it Parameterized Workflow, YML. Let's see the YAML config, which will define our workflow steps. In this file, we've defined two parameters under workflow_dispatch, environment and version. These allow us to pass custom values when manually triggering the workflow. Next, we define the job steps. The first step checks out the repository code. The second step runs a deployment script, which uses the parameters we defined earlier. To trigger this workflow, head over to the Actions tab in your repository, select your workflow, and click on Run Workflow. You can now input the parameters for environment and version, and watch as the workflow runs with those values. That's it. You've just created a GitHub Action workflow with customizable parameters. This is incredibly useful for deploying to different environments or managing version deployments. In deploy stage, you can see the past parameter value. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
If you have any question or any doubt, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will answer you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching. Bye and have a nice day.